Hello everyone, this is Hashita Reddy BV studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Honda section. Today's subject is Basic Electronic and my topic is Operation of zenar diode has a voltage regulator. Introduction to zenar diode has a voltage regulator. Zenar diode is a type of diode that operates the reverse breakdown region and it is commonly used in voltage regulation circuits to maintain a constant output voltage. The zenar diode operates by exploiting the voltage dependent breakdown characteristic. Inside you can see the zenar diode which it consists of voltage regulator and where the diodes and resistor is also connected. Basic operation of a zenar diode. When the reverse bias voltage across the zenar diode reaches the breakdown voltage, it conducts a current. The breakdown voltage of the zenar diode remains relatively constant over a wide range of currents. The zenar diode maintains a near constant voltage drop across it, providing the regulation. Here you can see the symbols where the diode is connected and forward bias and reverse bias is also connected. In forward bias and in reverse bias, in forward bias it conducting by the silicon and germanium are the best example for this, and it conducting a 0.7 volt to 0.7 volts, and where the current constant zener diode is remains constant. Voltage regulation with a zenar diode. Any placing of the zenar diode in a panel which the load is act as a shunt regulator. The zenar diode shunt executes current to the maintain a constant voltage across the load. This helps in stabilizing the output voltage despite the fluctuation in the input voltage. Here you can see the voltage regulation with the zenar diode and a battery by a DC. Advantages of using a zener diode has a voltage regulator. Simply and a cost-effective solution for the voltage regulations and provides a good regulation even with a varying load condition. And it can also handle a transient voltage skip efficiently. And here you can see the unregulated voltage and road regulated voltage. It consists of series and in a parallel which is connected across through the diode. Limitations of zener diode voltage regulators. Limited current carrying capacity compared to the other types of regulators. Warrantably to the terminal runway if not properly heat has been synced. Many not able to suit for the high power application due to power dissipation limitations. Here also same you can see the where unregulated voltage is connected to a diode and load resistor is connected across to the voltage or diode. Particle applications of a diode voltage regulators based in a low power circuits such as sensor interfaces has a small electronic devices commonly found in voltage references circuits for the precision measurements, ideal for the application when simplicity and low cost are prioritized over high powered handling. Characteristics of zenar diode voltage regulators provide a fixed voltage drop across the diode when in a breakdown. Have a sharp breakdown knee ensuring the precise regulation can operate over a wide temperature range without a significant performance degradation. Here you can see the symbols where it connected to a cathode and anode, where cathode or the symbol is connected with the K and anode is A. In this, it connected with the forward voltage and forward current and reverse current in forward bias region, where it same has example we taken germanium and silicon, where it reaches to 0.3 to 0.7. Design consideration for the zenar diode voltage regulations. Electric in the approximate breakdown voltage based on the desired output voltage, ensuring the proper heat sinking to prevent the terminal issues. Calculating the power dissipation to avoid exceed the diode limitations. Here you can see the diagram which it has been represented with forward current and reverse voltage, and where it increases the current with a knee voltage. Comparison with other voltage regulator types. Zener diode regulator are a simpler and a cheaper than the integrated voltage regulator. Linear regulator provides a better regulation and a high current capacity compared to the Zener diodes. Switching regulators are more efficient but complex and costly than the Zener diode regulators. It has been seen already in introduction to Zener diode. Troubleshooting zenar diode voltage regulation. Check for the proper connection and orientation, and test the breakdown voltage to ensure it matches the desired regulation point. Monitor for the overheating issues that cloud affect the regulator's performance. Here you can see the zenar, how it looks like is zenar. It is a diode and which is connected to a circuit with a zenar diode and 5-volt regulator output volting is outcoming. Further trends in a zenar diode voltage regulation. Integration of the zenar diodes into come more complex voltage regulation. Development of a zenar diode with a high current carrying capacitors, and where the explosion of a novel materials and a structure to enhance the zenar diode performance. Here in beside you can see the graph where it has been plotted about the output voltage and the input voltage, where it increases to a certain height, it considered as a regulated output voltage. Conclusion. Zener diode play a crucial role in the voltage regulation circuits, offering simply and cost effectiveness. Understanding the operation and the limitation of the Zener diode regulation is essential for the successful circuit design. As technology advances, Zener diode are expected to evolve, catering to a wide range of application and requirements. Thank you.